Namaste friends, welcome to the PM Tutorials. I am Mukesh and today we are going to discuss about armature reaction. Two sources of magnetic fluxes are present, armature flux and main field flux. The effect of armature on the main field flux is called armature reaction. Armature reaction changes the distribution of magnetic field. The effect of armature flux can be off by adding compensating winding to the main poles, or in some machines adding intermediate magnetic poles connected to the armature circuit. In short, we can say we can off the armature reaction effect by adding some compensating winding to the main poles. Here, now we are going to see or discuss in detail about the armature reaction. We can say armature reaction is very essential or necessary in Amplitude rotating amplifier. What is Amplitude rotating amplifier here? We will see it's an electromechanical amplifier. It consists of an electric motor driving to a DC generator. The signal to be amplified is applied to the generator's field winding, and its output voltage is an amplified copy of the field current, which is used in high power servo motor and control systems to amplify low power control signals to control powerful electrical motors. So it is a kind of electromechanical amplifier. Hence, we can say armature reaction drop is the effect of magnetic field on the distribution of flux under main poles of generator. Since an armature is wound with coils of wire, a magnetic field is set up in the armature whenever the current flows in the coil. So this field is at right angle to the generator field, and it is called the cross magnetization effect of armature. The effect of armature field is to distort the generator field and shift the neutral plane. The neutral plane is the position where the armature winding are moving parallel to the magnetic field lines. That is why an axis lying in this plane is called as magnetic neutral axis. This effect is known as armature reaction and proportional to the current flowing in the armature coils. The geometrical neutral axis is the axis that bisects the angle between the center line of the adjacent poles. The magnetic neutral axis is the axis which is drawn perpendicular to the mean direction of the flux passing through the center of armature. So here an electromotive force is produced in the armature conductors along with this axis, because then they cut no flux and there is no current in the armature conductors. So we can say that magnetic neutral axis coincides with the geometrical neutral axis here. So, and one more thing, the brushes of a generator must be in set of the neutral plane. That is, they must contact segments of the commutator that are connected to the armature coils having no induced EMF. If the brushes of the contacting commutator segments outside of the neutral plane, they will short circuit live coils and cause arcing and loss of power. Without armature reaction, the magnetic neutral axis would coincide with the geometrical neutral axis, and armature reaction causes the neutral plane to shift the direction of rotation. And if the brushes in the neutral plane at no load, that is, when this region, it is desirable to incorporate a corrective systems in generator design. So how we can overcome from this situation, how we can correct this situation? there are two principal methods which we are going to use to overcome from this type of situations or of armature, the effect of armature reaction. So thus the first method which we are going to use here, to shift the position of the brushes so that they are in the neutral plane when the generator is producing its normal load current. Okay, and in the other method, special field poles which is called interpoles, which are going to insert into the main field poles, okay, to counteract the effect of armature reaction. And one more thing I would like to discuss here, the brush setting method is the satisfactory in the installation in which the generator operates under a fairly constant load situation. If the load varies to a marked degree. And that's enough for today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, The PM Tutorials.